Good morning, my dear friends. Today I am going to tell the first module of the software engineering subject, that is Introduction, Software Process, Requirements Engineering. The first concept in the first module is Introduction. As we know, we cannot run the modern world without a software. In day-to-day our life, we are going to use the softwares so much. For example, like when we get up from the morning, the alarm which is going to ring in our mobile phones, that is again a software. When we come out of the home and we book a cab to reach our company, that is again the software. When you are working in the industry, that is again you are going to use an software. The financial systems which is going to be managed by the company and also by the self-individual, that is again maintained by the software. The entertainment which is going to play the video, music, media player, everything, it is going to be software. There are different types of the softwares are there, from simple to complex. There are different approaches are there to solve the problems with the help of the softwares. Even though there is a high demand in the softwares, but still it is going to fail in developing the applications for the user. For example, like in the one is increase in the demands. Demands of the user is going to be changed day by day, and the expectation of the user of executing the particular program or the data is to be processed very faster and faster. Developing of an application is going to becoming so complex because the developing of an application is not following an software engineering methods. Because of the developing of an applications is not maintaining the proper software engineering methods, it is going to becoming expensive in the development, and also it is less reliable as it is to be expected. When there is a failure of the software, it is to be recovered very quickly so that it should again function normally. That is reliable.